So first, our technical secret for cha-cha is what we have to do. We try to go through this triangle position, get that knee bent as far as possible, and then push from the back leg. Walk and walk. Now on lock step, it's the same strong bending, a little bit smaller step. For and on end, make sure this heel is not going down. The heel is up, and the massive, very, very big exit out of it through that bendingness, richness with the legs. Got it? Now let's do our choreography very fast. Basic routine. And very strong knee. 2, 3, and 4, and 1, and strong knee. 2, 3, and 4, and 1. Fan position. And through the bendingness. 2, 3, 4, and 1. Going to hockey stick position walk. 3, and 4, and 1, and 2, 3, 4, and 1. Into set of spot turns with the strong knee action. Walk, walk, 4, and 1, walk, walk, 4, and 1. Here we're gonna go walk, like twist, walk, twist, walk, twist, walk, walk. Here, just simple basic. 4, and 1, walk, walk, 4, and 1. Going walk, walk, 4, and 1. Here we're going into 3 cha-cha. Walk, walk, 4, and 1, 4, and 1, 4, and 1. Side step. 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1. Switch, switch, 4, and 1. Switch, switch, 4, and 1, 2, 3. And from beginning, the same choreo, just from different side. Now remember, pay attention to that bendingness. So the leg click at the end. Walk, 4, and 1. Click, click, 4, and 1. And then we can add body actions.